Let's say you've got a question. You're working on an energy management or industrial automation project and something's unclear. What's the best way to get answers? Ask people who have them. That's the whole point of Schneider Electric Community. Community is the key word here. It brings together professionals from everywhere. People with real-world expertise in industry and technology, including Schneider Electric hardware and software. It's a place to share insights and answers easily.
We're talking over 4.2 million answers every year and 330,000 users every month.
So problems get solved. See what I mean? And there's more to the community than forums, like the Knowledge Center, with how-to videos, events and webinars, ebooks, and success stories. Or maybe you've got the answers and want to share. It's all right here, whenever you need. No strings attached. Go on, click the thing and get started. This thing here, right here.